Hey, this is Samantha from AICallings. Am I speaking with Josh from Josh Yoga Studio?
Hey, yeah, this is Josh.
Hey Josh, how are you doing?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Josh, the reason for this call is to check if your business could use us some help with inbound or outbound phone call prospecting.
Well, we have a receptionist and she makes all our sales calls and follow-up calls. Not really, but thank you.
I understand, Josh, but imagine if you could be calling your prospects and also doing follow-up 24/7, non-stop 7 days a week, without paying a salary to someone.
Interesting. Tell me more.
Well, Josh, I'm an AI from a company called AICallings, and I'm making this call, conversing with you. We can help you set up an AI just like me, doing all the work for you. If that sounds great, I'd love to book a demo for you. Let me know what day and time works best for you.
Oh, wow. Sure, yeah, let's book a demo tomorrow, 2 p.m.
Done. I'll book a demo for tomorrow 2 p.m. and send you details in a text. Talk soon.
Welcome to AI Callings. In this short demonstration video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI Callings to create your own AI virtual call center where AI is going to start calling your business prospects, your customers, your support customers, and start talking to them, selling your products, upselling your services, helping them with customer support, booking appointments, and everything in between. And you can also offer this as a service to local and online businesses. Now, AI Callings is an incredible app, and it's the future of customer communication and cold calling and selling your product and services and offering customer support. Now, here's how AI Callings works. You log into the dashboard and you create your first voice agent by clicking on Create Agent button right here. You give it a picture, you upload a picture, you give it a name. Let's say we want to call her Samantha. Agent category could be appointment settling, billing and payment, cold calling. You can add a custom category, you can add customer support, even follow-up, product upsells, sales representative. So in our case, we want Samantha to talk about AI Callings and educate our users about AI Callings. So that's what we're going to do. Now, agent description it essentially describes what Samantha is going to do. So Samantha is a seasoned sales representative for AI Callings with over 10 years of experience, blah, blah, blah. So we explain a little bit of what Samantha can do that helps the AI understand and build, sort of a personality for Samantha. Now we're going to select the gender, we're going to select the tone, could be professional, conversational, humorous, academic, whatever you prefer, right? Next, we're going to select the language. It's going to be English, but you can pick from a lot of different languages and a lot of different accents as well. We're going to stick with British accent. And now we're going to pick from inbound or outbound agent. So essentially an inbound agent is a calling agent that will answer a phone call that is typically initiated by the customer. Right? So there's going to be a phone number and the customer is going to call, and then AI is going to pick up and answer and have the conversation. That's an inbound agent. An outbound agent is used when you have like a list of phone numbers and you want to start cold calling them or start calling those people to sell a product and services. So AI is going to start calling them and speaking to them, right? So for the demonstration, let's stick with outbound and click on create. Next step, we're going to add a phone number. So I'm going to click on connect number here. I'm going to go here in the integrations and I'm going to link a phone number to Samantha. That is linked. We're going to go back. And as you can see, all the details are here. We're going to add a greeting message. Hey, this is Samantha from AI Callings calling to talk about, this is the first thing Samantha is going to say when, somebody picks up a phone or somebody calls Samantha. Now, we got to add an agent prompt that sort of explains and gives more details and personality to Samantha and all the things Samantha can really do. So we got a bunch of categories and templates that you can use and modify, or you can simply click on Ask Copilot, and based on all this information that you're provided, AI Calling is going to write the prompt itself, so you really don't have to do. And here you can pick who's going to speak first. Is it going to be the user is going to speak first, or Samantha is going to speak first? Then you can select interacting sensitivity, and you can always record the calls. You can turn it on and turn it off based on the country where you're calling. Next step would be to educate Samantha about the product and service she's going to be talking about, right? So you can upload all the information using a file, you can type it, or you can ask Samantha to go to a website and learn everything about the product or services, right? Super easy. It's going to do everything on its own. You don't have to worry about it. Next is the workflow automation. So here you can decide if you want Samantha to transfer a call to a different phone number, a different human. You want Samantha to end the call based on a certain feedback. You want Samantha to check for calendar availability. You want her to book an appointment. Or you can also do a custom function. We're going to give you a bunch of custom functions where you can ask Samantha, for example, to send an SMS to the customer, or send an email to the customer, or create a PDF with all the information, or call transcription, send it to the customer, or send it to you, or pretty much anything you want. Samantha can search a database and give information about shipping, where the package is, all that stuff can be done using custom functions. Super easy to do. Next up is the unanswered questions. Now here's what's gonna happen when Samantha starts calling and there are questions that she doesn't know of are gonna pop up here. So what you can do is you will see all the questions that Samantha was not able to answer, and you can answer those here, and Samantha will learn from those and make sure that doesn't happen in the future calls. Now here you can pick from all different voices. We've got tons of voices. I think we've got about 300-400 voices in different languages. You can pick any language that you want, in different gender, different accents, different tones. You can pick all of that and filter and pick whatever you want. Or if you want, you can clone your own voice as well. So you can record a short voiceover, upload it, or record it right inside the app. And AI Calling is gonna clone your voice, so when Samantha calls, she's gonna sound just like you, right? This is an incredible feature. Personalizing AI calling, very powerful. Next one is campaign. Now campaign usually only works for outbound. So what happens when you click on create campaign, you give it a name, you select the start and the end date, what time, and how much you want to spend, like how many hours or how many minutes you want per call, and then you upload a file of name and phone numbers and click save. And then when you do that, starting from this date till this date, what Samantha is going to do is start calling all the numbers on the file that you've uploaded, and selling them the service, or doing a cold calling, whatever you want to do. And then the next approach is creating a widget where you can have Samantha, you can customize the widget, and you can embed this widget on your website where people can go enter a phone number, click on submit, and Samantha is going to immediately call them, right? So you can have your name, email, phone number all connected to an autoresponder, and the phone number is sent to Samantha, and Samantha will immediately call them. So you can put this widget on your sales website, on your customer support website, and have Samantha, if somebody has a question, have Samantha call them as soon as they put their phone number here. So it's really simple to create an agent and have it customized, add it on your website, and have an outbound campaign ready. You can look at all the call history here. You can see the completed calls. You can see incompleted, if there's any negative sentiment from the user, if there's a hang up from the user, and you can ignore this because you're going to be on an LTD license. Then you got phone numbers. You can see all the phone numbers. You can connect your integrations here, Google Calendars and all that stuff. And then here you can see all the campaigns that you create for the outbound, where Samantha or any agent that you create is going to start calling. And then you can create multiple agents, and you can assign different phone numbers to all of them for different roles, for different products, for different services, and have them do 24/7 inbound and outbound calling for you. That's what AI Callings does. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team. We'll be happy to help you.